Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to engage with multiplayer in Super Mario Odyssey. While the game does not feature traditional online story mode co-op, it provides exciting local two-player options and a fun online minigame. We will explore how you and a friend can team up on the same console and how to participate in global challenges. Understanding these modes will help you maximize your enjoyment of the game's unique social features. For local co-op, simply connect two controllers to your Nintendo Switch. One player takes on the role of Mario, controlling his movement and primary actions. The second player controls Cappy, Mario's magical hat, who can fly freely around the screen. Cappy can stun enemies, grab coins, and even give Mario an extra boost during jumps, making teamwork essential for collecting every Power Moon. Super Mario Odyssey's main online interaction is Luigi's Balloon World, unlocked after finishing the main adventure. In Hide It mode, you have 30 seconds to conceal a balloon anywhere in a kingdom. In Find It mode, you search for balloons hidden by other players globally, also within a time limit. Successfully hiding or finding balloons earns you coins and improves your online ranking, offering endless competitive fun. Whether you are exploring kingdoms with a friend in local co-op or competing against players worldwide in Balloon World, Super Mario Odyssey offers engaging multiplayer experiences. The local two-player mode is fantastic for collaborative play, while Balloon World adds a competitive edge and a great way to earn in-game currency. Dive in and discover all the unique ways to play with others.
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.